Well, there it is. That brand new GPR exhaust. Well, let's take it out and see what it sounds like on video.
Another one.
I absolutely love the way this GPR Thunderslash sounds. It is amazing. It completes the bike for me right now. And it got here super quick too. I ordered it and then I emailed GPR to just double check how long it would take to make and get it to me. And they emailed me back and said 3 weeks. So then I was like, oh, okay. So I posted on Instagram 3 weeks and how anxious I am. They emailed me the next day and said, hey, we're sending you the exhaust now. You should get it by Friday. And I got it Thursday. How awesome is that? What an awesome company, man. As if it didn't already have a deep tone already, this really just wrapped it up in one nice, neat little package and made it perfect. This thing sounds so good. Let's give it a little test. Hey, whoa, hello. Pay attention, kiddo. Jesus Christ. He's not even fucking looking anymore. Let's see if he slams into the back of me now. If you've never been to Reno, I don't know if it's something they commonly do in Vegas, but in Reno, all the casinos have their own little unique smells. And as you ride down Virginia past all these casinos, you smell all their unique little smells. There we go, people trying to figure out what they're doing. Look at this. That's why we can't have lane splitting, because people can't drive worth shit here. Jeez, man. I know, bike. I know you want to go. Trust me, I know you want to go. But we can't. We must deal with traffic. Unfortunately, I bought you to be a street machine. Sadly, I do not have the time to take you to be a track bitch. I would love to, but the only track that we have here sucks. Needs to be repaved. Nobody does track days on it, really. Eventually, my little muffin of doom, you will get to experience the track. Hopefully you will get to experience the track. Oh my goodness, people. It's not that hard. Oh my goodness. mind me, officer. I'm just merging. Use your blinker. Or not. I used my blinker. Uh-oh. Shit, my shoelace just got caught. God damn it. Shit. Shit, and double shit. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, that is why you ride with riding boots. You're probably wondering, Goat, where are your leather pants and your riding boots? You know what? I want to know the same damn thing because I've gotten myself into a little debacle here. The worst thing about a shoelace getting caught like that is the chance that it's gonna make you fall over on your bike. So now I gotta make sure that it's free before I stop. Okay, looks good. Wait for this person to figure out what they're doing. You did it! Good job! You did it! Maybe buy a smaller vehicle. Alright, let's fix this shoe issue real quick. Ah, damn it. That could have been really bad. I would have dropped this bike again. I've already dropped this bike like 17 times. No, I haven't dropped it 17 times, don't worry. But I've definitely dropped this bike. You're like, oh my god, Goat, you dropped it. It's scratched and blah, blah, blah. Yep, it has character now. It's officially Goatfather's bike. I drop every single bike I own. I'm a fucking midget. What do you expect? Barely even over 5 feet tall. When the wind blows, I blow with it. And I fall right the fuck over. When the ground is uneven and I can't put my foots down, I put my bikes down. Skills. That guy definitely plays American Truck Simulator. Definitely need some Coke. When I get home, I'm gonna celebrate. But first, I gotta find neutral. Yeah, I did it! Dude, you guys, having this exhaust on here is freaking awesome. Ah, damn it. I always forget I can't go this way. Excitement ruined. Hang on, Mr. Truck, I'm turning. I thought I was done for. I was literally getting ready to say 2017! I totally picked the wrong lane. Damn it, Lexus. I put all my bets on you. Oh, I love these things, man. These are like my favorite cars in the world. It's awesome, man. It's awesome. I love those things. Oh, my little family. God damn, that is so awesome. That's not awesome, but the exhaust is awesome. There's my future motorcyclist. What's up? How are you?
Your bike next to you.
You want to park your bike next to mine? Go right ahead. Did you get your knee down? Mm-hmm. In some of the turns you got your knee down? Mm-hmm. Oh, give me a high five. I'm proud of you. So you're working on your body position? Mm-hmm. Good. We're gonna have to go to the racetrack soon, huh?
No, with my bike.
Oh, not with that bike? You need a bigger one that's faster?
Dirt bike.
Oh, a dirt bike. Okay. Gotcha.
Race.
Sounds groovy.
Are you going through that way?
I am going to go through that way. You want to go with me? Let's go, partner.